The 2025 Guide to Smart and Stylish Gardening, Urban Space to Harvest Grace. In recent years, home gardening has evolved from a quiet pastime into a global movement, and 2025 is shaping up to be its most innovative year yet. People are embracing the power of plants not just for sustenance, but for sustainability, self-care, and smart living. With the rise of eco-consciousness, tech integration, and space-saving designs, gardening in 2025 isn't just about growing food. It's about growing smarter. Whether you're working with a balcony or a backyard, new strategies and technologies are revolutionizing how we think about and design our gardens. Vertical gardening has become a major trend for urban dwellers with limited space. With the population steadily rising in cities, the vertical garden is no longer a niche solution, it's a go-to method. Using wall-mounted planters, tiered shelving, and trellis systems, anyone can create a lush, productive environment in just a few square feet. Herbs like basil, mint, and thyme thrive in vertical systems, while climbers like peas and cherry tomatoes add color and function. The aesthetic of vertical gardens also plays a major role. People are choosing colorful containers and geometric patterns to turn their greenery into art. For the modern gardener, a vertical setup provides efficiency, beauty, and ease of maintenance. Companion planting, once considered an old-school agricultural method, is now making a comeback with a tech-savvy twist. Apps and AI tools help match plant species based on compatibility, pest resistance, and nutrient exchange. In 2025, successful gardens are often those that embrace biodiversity, and pairing plants strategically leads to better yields and fewer chemicals. For example, tomatoes thrive when planted near basil, as the latter helps repel pests and improve flavor. Beans fix nitrogen into the soil, benefiting leafy greens planted nearby. These symbiotic relationships are not only functional, but create a visually rich tapestry in your garden beds. The digital age of gardening means smarter pairings, healthier plants, and more abundant harvests. Sustainable gardening practices are gaining prominence as climate concerns intensify. Gardeners in 2025 are prioritizing water conservation through drip irrigation systems, mulch layering, and rainwater harvesting. Composting has reached new levels of accessibility with odor-free, balcony-sized bins and AI-monitored decomposition systems that alert you when your mix needs balancing. Organic pest control is also on the rise, with beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings being introduced via ecopods, which release them gradually into the garden. These methods not only reduce environmental impact, but also align with a broader movement towards self-reliance and food transparency. In essence, today's garden is both a sanctuary and a statement. Finally, edible aesthetics have taken center stage, transforming the garden into an expression of personal style. Colorful lettuce varieties, rainbow chard, purple carrots, and blue tomatoes are as much about visual impact as nutrition. Edible flowers like nasturtiums, pansies, and calendula blur the line between ornamental and practical, creating edible flower beds that dazzle in both salads and social media feeds. Raised beds are being designed with artistic flair. Spirals, mandalas, and layered terraces are trending designs. Lighting features, smart sensors, and even solar-powered decorative elements add both function and flair, ensuring that the garden remains a focal point day and night. For many, the garden is not just a place to grow food, but to cultivate identity, mindfulness, and joy.